Hello everybody and welcome. I thought I'd make this quick little video as a bit of an explanation, if nothing else. I put a video out the other day showing you my thought process and the editing on this image here, which finally created this one. Now, I had quite a few dislikes on that video, and I also had a comment from a viewer which was absolutely a fair comment, and they said that this sort of video is no good for someone who uses something like Photoshop, which I totally get and I totally understand where they're coming from. And then I'd just like to say two things on this matter, because I was going to show you how I edited this image and created it into this one. But I thought that comment is fair enough. But I actually heard about this iColorama from a very well-known photographer who is a great inspiration to me, and I actually went and purchased an iPad purely to use this app, and I do not regret that decision at all, because it has allowed me to create the images that I want to. Now, I know a lot of people do have iPads already, and if you do, I would highly suggest that you get this app for under £5. And I know if you haven't got an iPad, not everybody can afford one, but you can pick them up second-hand fairly cheaply. And when you consider the amount of money that we spend on camera bodies and lenses and equipment, this really is only part and parcel of the photography that we do. So I think you need to sort of look at it in that sort of light. Now, the other thing that I wanted to say is I do put these videos out trying to explain my thought process when I am editing my images, which I would like to think that it could help you if you want to do sort of abstract work, if you'd like to call it abstract. It might give you some ideas as to the direction to take when you're editing your images. So really that is it. It's just those 2 points. I do thank the viewers. I really appreciate their comments and I do take them on board. I might just add that I did also get a lovely comment from a viewer saying that they do enjoy watching my videos, so that's always nice as well. So it's not always all negative. But as I say, I was going to actually show you how I edited this image, but you know, from the last video, I'm not too sure that it's of that much interest to the viewers, so I think some hard thinking is needed here. So that's it. I really do appreciate you listening to me rabbiting on, and I will give it some thought. So until the next time, this is John Dexter saying thanks very much. Bye for now.